From the front door to the final details, this home on 15th is full of features that you will fall for. Take a look.
Discover a smart blend of function and style in this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence. Upon arrival, a dedicated entryway provides a clean transition into the main living space. The interior is built for longevity, featuring durable wood-look tile flooring and solid granite countertops that offer both a modern look and easy maintenance. Privacy is a key feature, with an isolated owner's suite separated from the additional bedrooms. Outside, the large backyard provides plenty of room for storage, projects, or relaxation. This well-maintained property represents a great opportunity for anyone seeking a solid, move-in ready home.
Looking for the perfect fit? This home on 15th might be it. Like new, built in 22. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.